जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा।
I would like to say good morning to my respected teacher, my all dear friends and my juniors and seniors. Friends, I am Sarvan Kumar, a student of BSc Part 1. As you know that we are celebrating 72 Republic Day of India. That is why we are gathered here. Today I am going to say few words about Republic Day, which is a very special day for all Indian citizens. Friends, as you know that India celebrates the Republic Day every year on 26th of January from 1950. Because at this day, India was declared as the Republic country. Republic Day in India has a great importance in the history, as it tells us all about each and every struggle of all Indian freedom fighters. Friends, Republic means the supreme power of the people who is living in the country, where the public has rights to elect their leaders as a president, prime minister, chief minister, etc. to lead the country in right direction. So we can say that India was became a republic country after 26th of January 1950, and on that day our constitution has released. Friends, our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot, so we can never forget their sacrifice towards the country, and we should remember on them on such a great occasion and salute them, because this day it is possible that we can think on our mind and live freely in our own nation. So India is also proud on the Indian states to show the unity and in diversity in India. So friends, before ending this speech, I would like to thank you all for giving me a chance to express my feeling about Republic Day, and I am proud to be an Indian, where we have many types of independence. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Kisan, Jai Jai.
Good morning, my dearest, my respected sir and my dearest friend. This is Misa Bharti, studying in ISC second year. Firstly, I would like to say thanks to Mahesh sir for giving me this opportunity, and we all are opportunity to speak about Republic Day, and we all are get together here to celebrate 72nd Republic Day of our nation, and this is very precious for all of us, and since 1950 we all are celebrate every year Republic Day on this day, and with joy and happiness. That's enough.
Good morning, all of you. Firstly, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. All of us are gathered here to celebrate the 72 Republic Day of our country today. This event is a very wonderful and tragic event today for every one of us. In this eventful day, we should pray to God to enhance our country and welcome every one of us. We observe Republic Day on 26 January because the constitutions of India came to force on this day in 1950. India is a very democratic and just nation where each citizen is allowed to choose the leader who deserves to lead the nation. Although there have been many improvements till now, few deteriorations have also come with it, such as unemployment, lack of literacy, pollution, poverty, and so on. All we can do to promise today to solve this type of issues together as people of this nation to make this country one of the best country of the whole world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Thank you once again.
Good morning, honorable sirs and all the bright young mind present here. Myself Avinash Kumar, first of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate 72nd Republic Day. It is one of the most important day for the people of India. For the people of India, it is not only a celebration but also a pride and honor of the day. As everyone knows, India got independence on August 15, 1947. But at that time, India did not have their own constitution. So India needs their own constitution for the people who is lived in critical condition. Therefore, a draft committee was held under the chairman of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhim to give the frame of constitution. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar wrote the constitution in 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. Then on 26th January 1950, the Constitution of India was implemented in entire the nation. The people, when the Constitution of India was implemented in entire the nation, the people of India got their basic rights. We all are living peacefully and happy life in this independent nation. This whole credits goes to our freedom fighter, national builder, and our ancestor who is sacrificed for us. Our freedom fighter and national builder sacrificed a lot of that I can't explain in a word, and we can never forget them sacrifice. So it is our duty to remember our freedom fighters who is sacrificed for us. Unfortunately, I have to say sadly that after 72 years of Republic Day, we are still struggling with many issues such as corruption, casteism, literacy, poverty. If all of us are helped each other in the time of need, then once again our country become a strong and powerful nation. So let us pledge together to make our country rise and progress. Finally, once more I wish this Republic Day leads the change and be proud an Indian. Thank you so very much for giving me time to speak here to express my view on Republic Day. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Kisan. Jai Hind, Jai Kisan.
A very good morning to all of you. I am thankful to Mahesh sir that they give me opportunity to speak here. I am Manisha Kumari, a student of class 12th. As we all know, today is the 72nd Republic Day. The Republic Day is celebrated in India every year on January 26. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar said that Constitution is not only lawyer's document, it is the vehicles of our life. This day reminds us our freedom strugglers and how they sacrificed their life for our Purna Swaraj. We are living in a democratic country, so we should know our rights and also obey the law of Constitution. This day is celebrated in India with great joy and happiness. In many schools and colleges, the cultural functions are organized such like debates, competition, dance and programs. Now, lastly, I would like to wind up my speech and thanks again for Mahesh sir for giving me opportunity. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Republic Day, which we all celebrate with all our devotion and faith. On this day, our ancestors, before this day, our ancestors doesn't live like now we live. Even at their own properties, they couldn't say that they are their own properties, just because they were under the Britishers. The Britishers forced them to labor and labor and labor, but they didn't get their profit. But after that, one by one, all Mahatmas came, just like Mahatma Gandhi, Jhansi Ki Rani, Mangal Pandey, Subhash Chandra Bose, and all other freedom fighters. They all did this for us, just because they all cared for us. So we all are lucky that they did for us. Their expectations are that we should be united and we should be safe, so that we can live freely, independently and be safe. Our soldiers also do their own duty at as they fight and for us, for only us. They do their own duty, but we citizens also have our own duties. I'm trying to say that as we are all are citizens of India, we can do this. We can care for our surroundings. We better know how to maintain cleanliness in our surroundings.